A Magento e-commerce store, fully managed by Dynamics GP, reduces the time and effort required for site management. X2x eCommerce makes the site management easier, using bulk upload of the products and catalog from Excel. Select the entity to export, define the selection criteria, and export it to Excel in one click. Once in Excel, you can modify the data, or add new lines, and save it for import into Dynamics GP. Importing back into GP is also very simple. A few clicks, and the updated data is in GP, from where it will be uploaded to Magento e-commerce. This is just one more reason why x2x Dynamics GP Magento is popular among its customers. So, what are you waiting for? Call us today or visit our website, www.x2xecommerce.com.